Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a unboxing and swatching video for you today. I got a big order from CJP this week, and so I'm just super excited to show you all what I got. And say hi to my puppy Cora. She's hanging out there with me while I'm taking this all apart. So we got lots of different stuff in this order. It was a big one and I love it. I'm so excited about it. So we got files, which are awesome. And I really like them. I tried them yesterday and I like their files. They work really well. There's some colors. I got 8 colors from them, which was fun. And forms, because you know, you can't have too many forms. There was the light pinks and the dark pinks, and I couldn't tell the difference online, and I was like, I don't know. So I got them both. And I guess we'll find out. I used these dark pink ones last night and they were awesome. I love them so much. They did a great job. That I honestly had no idea what it was because I forgot that I ordered it. So yeah, when I take these all apart, you'll see what it is, and it's probably my favorite part actually. Some more core powders and some monomer. So when CJP sends you stuff, they send you, the bottom of the box has all this like sawdust and stuff. I guess it's just in case something spills or whatever, which makes sense, but it makes a huge mess. Like, you'll see it, it's everywhere. It's just so crazy. So I had to open this one first because I didn't remember what it was, and then I remembered, oh my gosh, it's my flower photo prop, and it's so cool. I love it, and I used it last night, and it's seriously so awesome. I was getting so tired of that old pose, you know, put the fingers together, you know, that boring pose. So got the photo prop and it's awesome. So here I have some core powders. I have a really big bottle of crystal glass, but I wanted to get the smaller one just so that I had an easier way to access it with my brush. And Snow White, because I hadn't had a white yet, so that was awesome. I have almost all of the cores now. There's a few that I don't have, but I've got a lot of them, and I'm going to do a swatching video with all the core powders next, so you'll see that up on my channel really soon. So here's the 8 colors that I got. These are the first colors that I've ordered from CJP, so when I start doing the swatching, it gets kind of like, I'm trying to figure out how to work the bead, the different consistency, the ratio, and so it gets kind of messy there for a minute. But by the end of it, I get the hang of it. So we got 8 really awesome colors, and I love them all. They're all so amazing. They're so, so, so good. They're not all exactly as I expected them either. This ash one was a lot lighter than I expected, but I still love it. It's amazing. So files. 180 grit, which is awesome, and I love the tornado shape. I think they're great. And the next one I'm opening is some more core powders. I think one of these is Amore and Birthday Suit. Amore, I also have a really big one of, like the crystal glass, but again, I wanted a smaller one that I could access easier. So, and Birthday Suit is great. I don't know why I hadn't got it before now, but it is really great. More sawdust on the table, and of course more monomer. I ordered the 2 500 milliliter bottles, and then I ran out of the first one, so I figured I should order some more just to make sure that I always have backup and I never run out, since I'm in the west side of the US and CJP's in the UK, so I'm like, I should make sure that I never run out. But so now I have 3 full bottles of this, and the ultra adhesive is phenomenal. It's made a gigantic difference with my clients, and not lifting or anything. It's amazing. CJP is life, seriously. So these forms are ridiculous and amazing, and I could not believe how big the rolls were. Like, whoa. And we have, so my 3D printing company with my husband, we 3D print a form roll distributor thing, so you can just pull it and the form comes right out. And I was like, we're gonna have to design a new one to fit these rolls because they're gigantic. The other rolls that I've been basing my my product off of are a lot smaller, so I think we're gonna need a bigger one. And yeah, those dark pink ones are amazing. I haven't used these light pink ones yet, but they look great too, so I can't wait to give them a try. So they're awesome. And here is a shot of all of the stuff I got. I put the little flower prop in my drawer and then I forgot to grab it when I took the picture, so it's not in there, but everything else is there. So much fun. So then we start in on the swatching, and the first one we're doing is Sapphire, and holy cow, look at that sparkle. It's amazing. It literally looks almost like a galaxy, like it's super fine and it's amazing. It almost looks black. It's dark enough blue that it is almost black, but you can still tell it's blue. But yeah, so like I said, right here, these are the first CJP colors I've ever used, and so it took me a minute to get the hang of the consistency and the ratio. And first I was working too wet, and then I was just picking up too small of beads and everything, and so it just, and then I was like, where's my camera? Oh, it's on this side of my phone, not on that side of my phone. So yeah, just bear with me with these first couple. So every time I opened one of the pots, there's powder in the threads of the pot, and so it just kind of spilled all over the towel. But that happened with all of them. And then this one, I was total butterfingers, and after I put the color on, I turned it over to see the color from the other side, and I dropped it, and it just landed in all that sapphire powder down there, and so it destroyed it. And I was like, oh good. So I have to do it again, but I didn't have time to do it that day, so we just moved on. So then this one is Apple Shine. That last one was Soft Lemon, and it was really, really pretty. This one is Apple Shine, and this is like my color. And that bead, I went way too dry, so I had to weten it up a little bit. But seriously, this is like for sure my color. My entire salon is painted this exact color, and it's amazing, and I love it. And seriously, Apple Shine is phenomenal. And this next one is Apricot Pearl. I'll be honest with you, I bought this one because my husband loves orange, and I knew that he would love it. But really, and he does, but really, like, I love it. It's so amazing. And I got some other colors from another brand today too, and they're ombre powders, so they're designed to be used with ombres, and one of them is a color that will ombre with this one absolutely perfectly, so I'll have to show you that one because it's amazing. It'll be so cool when I mix those together. Apricot Pearl is great. Oh my gosh, dragon fruit. Seriously, I have no words for this one. It is just so pretty. It's the sparkle in it and the exact tone of the reddish magenta. Like, it's like candy. You like want to eat it. It's so delicious. It's awesome. But dragon fruit is amazing. I love how the powder collection on my table keeps adding more colors to it. So every time I set one down, some of the powder falls off. Magenta, also amazing. My mother is absolutely going to love this color. And right there, my phone rang, so it stopped the video, and I had to start it again. But so I'm starting to get the hang of the bead consistency and figuring out how to work these powders and everything. So it's been better. But that is a great color. Love it. And ash, like I said before, it ended up being a lot lighter than I expected it to be. I've seen it in a lot of like Liz's videos and stuff. She uses it a lot. And I don't know why, it just looked a lot lighter in person than I was expecting it to be. I still love it. It's absolutely amazing. It's a little warmer too than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a lot more of a cooler gray, but this one's kind of a warmer gray, which is really cool. And of course, last but not least, definitely not least, Black Magic. And oh my gosh, is it ever amazing? Like, seriously, I have been looking for a true black acrylic powder in all the different brands that I use, and they all either have like shimmer or glitter or something, or they're like so dark brown that they almost look black, but they're not quite black. And this is like legit black. It looks like a black hole on my table. Like, it's so black and it's amazing. I love it. So here they all are in order: Sapphire, Apricot Pearl, Apple Shine, Dragon Fruit, Magenta, Soft Lemon, Ash, and Sapphire. Can't really tell on that Sapphire in the picture. It just looks black, but it is gorgeous. So anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe because I'll have some more swatch videos later today or tomorrow or something really soon. So bye!